Horses out, we have Kimagure. Past the begin, Danari inside, Real Thunder. Escapo in third, Reyes Gold. Then followed by Gobernadora. Conquista Boy comes next. Then followed over by Premier Edition. And going along for the first turn, we have Jenny's Touch. Escapo, Kimagure in the middle. 3 lengths win for Reyes Gold. Gobernadora moving up, Premier Edition, Real Thunder, and Conquista Boy. Escapo takes the lead by Oralenka. Kimagure drives back in second, 2 lengths win third. Moving up now is Reyes Gold. Jenny's Touch drives back in fourth. Gobernadora, Premier Edition, Real Thunder, and Conquista Boy. And still Escapo by Oralenka. Kimagure still in second, Danori inside, alongside moving up Reyes Gold. Premier Edition is racing in fourth and followed by Real Thunder. Escapo still in front, Kimagure is Danori inside and Ori outside, Reyes Gold. Premier Edition, Real Thunder as they come down at the last 200. And still Escapo, Kimagure is Danori inside second, Premier Edition in third. Last 100 meters. And still Escapo, followed by Kimagure in second, and finally Escapo second, Kimagure, Reyes Gold, then comes Real Thunder. 6